One of the most popular requests I get continues to be, how do you tie a self-tie bow tie? It is so simple, as you're going to find out in about 3 minutes in today's video. People like Winston Churchill famously wore a self-tie bow tie and wore it quite scruffily. He wore it at a little bit of a jaunty angle. It looked a little bit disheveled. There's an elegant charm about the not perfect nature of a self-tie bow tie. Let's just get straight into it. Now, some will have a buckle slider adjuster on the back, and others will, like this one, will have a size guide on the back. So you would pre-adjust to your size with this type of tie. We're going to start off with one end slightly longer than the other. We're going to wrap the longer end around the short and tuck it up the back and give it a tug to give you that simple knot. You're also going to end up with a short end and a long end. You're going to take the short end and put your finger in the wide part and lay it across the collar button like that. Then take the long end and drape it down the front. Now we're already starting to see the shape of the bow tie. Take the two wings of this part here. I'm going to move to the side and pull it forward. And that gives you this hole at the back. And we take the long end that's draping down, fold it in two and post it through that hole, catching it on the other side. Now, as you can see, before I start to tighten this up, as you can see, you've got a loop and a tab at the back and a loop and a tab at the front. Grab the loop at the back and the loop at the front and pull them apart. This tightens the knot ever so slightly. Now, this is going to usually takes a couple of attempts. We tighten it as much as we can, and obviously can't leave it like that. So you grab the tab at the front and pull it back through the knot. Then grab the tab at the back and do the same thing. Then once more, grab the loops and pull them apart. And then pull the tab to tighten it properly. But that's your bow tie. Then you pop the collar down and adjust to finish. So once again, that's your self-tie bow tie. I hope you enjoyed this quick demonstration. If you want to see anything else specifically, if you have any questions about bow ties, then please feel free to drop a comment. And as ever, if you could do me a favor and follow along, subscribe to the channel and like and share and tell your friends and family about me, I would be very grateful. Anyway, till next time, take care. I'll see you very soon.